There's nothing like heading out on an adventure to recharge and reconnect with the world around you. Whether you're trekking through rugged trails, exploring hidden beaches, or chasing that epic sunset, having the right gear can make all the difference. That's why we've rounded up some of the best Adventure EDC essentials to keep you prepared and ready for anything. Oh, and just a quick heads up, while this list is all about gear, don't forget to throw in some snacks and water. Trust us. You'll thank yourself later when you're miles deep into your adventure. Alright, let's get straight to it and kick things off with the MVP of action-packed adventures, the Hero, made by our friends at GoPro. The GoPro Hero is the ultimate adventure buddy, designed to capture your most epic moments in stunning clarity. With its next-gen 4K video recording and 12-megapixel photo capability, every frame is sharper and more detailed than ever, whether you're diving into crystal-clear waters or scaling a windswept peak. The Hero introduces an upgraded hyper-smooth stabilization, making shaky footage a thing of the past, even on the roughest trails. Not only does GoPro make a superior action camera, they also have all of the accessories you need. Looking to mount a camera on your helmet? They got you covered. With so many accessories, you can pretty much get any shot you can visualize, and they all easily attach to the Hero's magnetic folding attachment points. Plus, the Hero offers a set of interchangeable lenses. This allows users to get macro shots, mock anamorphic shots, and even ND filters, ensuring your ability to capture a great shot even in incredibly bright conditions. There are so many accessory options for the GoPro Hero, it's not hyperbole to say you can literally capture anything. Another one of GoPro Hero's amazing features is its all-new sensor. The new sensor delivers great low-light performance and has legitimate color accuracy, so whether you're shooting a sunset bike ride or a nighttime hike, the results will be amazing and color accurate. Add that to the rugged waterproof design that can withstand up to 33-foot submersion without a housing, and it's clear that GoPro built the Hero for whatever the wild throws your way. Battery life has also seen a boost with the Enduro battery, delivering consistent recording for 60 minutes, even in extreme temperatures. Compact, durable, and packed with cutting-edge tech, the GoPro Hero earns its spot as a must-have in any Adventure EDC lineup and firmly answers when your friends say, "Pics or it didn't happen." When it comes to reliable fire starting tools for your next great adventure, the Flame Vault Match stands out as an essential piece of gear. The Flame Vault Match is constructed entirely out of a single piece of titanium, ensuring its durability no matter where your adventure takes you. Even the striker cap and screws are crafted from titanium, which emphasizes its robust construction. With its compact size of 2 inches by 1.1 inch by 0.5 inch and a lightweight design at just 1.35 ounces, it's the perfect addition to your pocket, backpack, or survival kit. With a 10mm titanium split ring on the top and side, the CountyComm Flame Vault Match Batch 2 can easily clip onto your bag, carabiner, or anything else that can hold keys. The Flame Vault Match is a really cool product. Inside of the all-titanium body is a fuel reserve. A titanium pin screws in above the fuel reserve and is sealed with an O-ring for maximum protection. To use the lighter, simply remove the striker head from the fuel reserve and strike to the flint that lines the side. The CountyComm Flame Vault Match Batch 2 also takes regular lighter fluid, which makes finding a refill as easy as lighting it up. The oversized striker head, capable of up to 12,000 strikes, ensures reliable performance even with gloves on. Its fuel chamber, secured by titanium screws and an integrated cotton infill with an O-ring, guarantees your fluid stays intact for years to come. With its all-titanium construction, this individually numbered hybrid of a match and lighter can easily be passed down to your kids. Included in the box is a few extra wicks, additional O-rings, and an additional flint. Okay, so you're planning your adventure. You know you have the right camera to get the details and a lighter for an emergency situation, but now you need a multi-tool that's up to the job. The Leatherman Signal is a compact and rugged multi-tool built specifically for outdoor adventures and unexpected challenges. It comes with 19 practical tools into a 4.5-inch closed frame, making it highly portable and versatile. The Leatherman Signal has a tool for almost any task. We think some of the Leatherman Signal's standout features are a fire-starting ferrocerium rod, a built-in hammer for tasks like anchoring tent stakes or chopping wood with your Boker Hermod, and an emergency whistle, which makes it an excellent choice for camping, hiking, and survival situations. It contains needle nose pliers, regular pliers, a wire cutter, a wire stripper, a combo knife, a saw, an awl, a can opener, a bottle opener, a quarter hex bit drive, a bit driver, a quarter box wrench, a carabiner, a 3/16 box wrench, and a diamond blade sharpener. The Signal comes in 10 different color finishes, although we are partial to the green. Additionally, all Leatherman products come with a 25-year warranty, ensuring no matter what, your multi-tool is protected. The Leatherman Signal is crafted from durable materials like 420HC stainless steel, with some components treated with a DLC coating and Cerakote for added resilience. The primary 2.73-inch blade offers both straight and serrated edges. At just 7.5 ounces, it's lightweight yet sturdy enough to handle demanding tasks. The Leatherman Signal comes with a removable pocket clip and a nylon sheath for a versatile carry option. When you're heading out on an adventure, you need to be prepared for a worst case scenario. Enter the MyMedic Hiker Medic Med Pack. The MyMedic Hiker Medic Med Pack is an essential compact first aid kit tailored for hiking and outdoor adventures. Weighing 9.6 ounces and measuring 8.8 by 6.75 by 2 inches, it's designed to be lightweight and portable, easily fitting into day packs or larger gear setups. Its 32 components are curated to address common hiking-related injuries, including cuts, blisters, bug bites, burns, dehydration, and even hypothermia. Included inside of the MyMedic Med Pack is a hydration mod, medication mod, 2 bandage packs, a sun exposure pack, a blister pack, a space blanket, 25 feet of paracord, and a whistle. This kit stands out with its thoughtfully chosen items, which can cover you if you're sick, dehydrated, hypothermic, or almost in any other emergency situation. The exterior features a list of contents for quick reference, and the pack can serve as a standalone kit or a supplement to a larger medical setup. The Hiker Medic also integrates a QR code, linking to additional resources like first aid training materials. However, navigation to these resources might require some patience. Recommended by medical professionals, this kit is HSA, FSA approved, and built in the USA, making a trustworthy choice for both seasoned hikers and casual adventurers. Okay. So you have an adventure planned, but you need a sling to put all your gear in. The Peak Design Outdoor Sling is a powerhouse for Adventure EDC enthusiasts, blending functionality with premium build quality. Crafted from weatherproof ultralight Terrashell 210D ripstop, it's designed to withstand the elements, keeping your gear safe from rain, dust, and splashes. It's available in 2-liter and 7-liter capacities, which gives you tailored options for different loads, whether you're carrying just a GoPro and accessories or a more comprehensive adventure setup. For this video, we got our hands on the 7-liter version. The Peak Design Outdoor Sling has a clean aesthetic with no branding on the watertight zippers and minimal branding on the front. At the bottom of the sling is their cord hook attachment system, complete with gear loops. You can store a small tripod here, or if you're traveling more lightly, you can use these straps to compact the bag. You can also attach the included stabilizer strap to these attachment points and connect it to the strap. This is especially helpful for when you're carrying a heavier load. The Peak Design Outdoor Sling 7 liters has a fairly comfortable harness system complete with an ambidextrous strap. The strap is attached to the bag with glass-reinforced nylon clips that are a little difficult to remove, but conversely ensure that your sling stays attached to your body. Adjustments are really easy to make on the strap as well. In the front of the Peak Design Sling 7-liter is a spacious compartment that features a key tether attached to an elastic cord. This would be a great place to store your wallet, or maybe some snacks. Inside of the main compartment is an empty space with a zippered compartment opposite to it. On the exterior of the zippered compartment are 3 elasticized pockets, and inside of the zippered compartment there are 4. The customizable flex fold dividers let you organize your gear efficiently, and we found it's an excellent area to store additional batteries, a hard drive, whatever gear you have for your adventure that you don't want floating around your bag. On the back of the bag is a magnetically sealed area that's perfect for a phone, although it should be noted that a larger phone will only fit in sideways. This hollow area allows the straps to be stored so they aren't hanging in the breeze. The Boker Hermod folder is a robust addition to any adventure-oriented EDC loadout and a reimagined version of the legendary original Hermod. Designed with practicality and durability in mind by Dirk Hofmeister from Midgard's Messer, this pocket knife boasts a versatile drop-point blade crafted from ball-bearing D2 steel with a stonewash finish, known for its excellent edge retention and wear resistance. With a blade length of 3.62 inches and a beefy thickness of 0.19 inches, it strikes a great balance between compactness and cutting power, making it suitable for a range of tasks. Even though the knife is large, we found that it fit nicely in hand with its ergonomic handle and finger cutouts. Although, with this being said, we recognize that not everyone would want this as a daily carry. With hammer in hand, you could easily chop firewood with this knife, and because it is more compact than a fixed blade, the Boker Hermod folder is an ideal choice for adventurers. The Boker Hermod folder's handle is constructed from CNC milled G10, a lightweight yet durable material that provides a secure grip even in wet conditions. The Hermod folder incorporates a liner lock mechanism for safety and ease of use, and its nail nick opening ensures a classic, reliable deployment. Weighing 8.47 ounces, it's a fairly heavy knife. The Boker Hermod folder also features a glass breaker by its convenient lanyard holder along with a simple sheath providing storage and protection. To ensure maximum security during transport and heavy use, it includes a cotter-style pin safety mechanism, reminiscent of a grenade pin, that screws into the front of the handle to prevent accidental opening and closing. For superior grip and control, aggressive jimping extends along the spine of the blade and across the handle, including the liners, providing excellent tactile feedback even in challenging conditions. Adventures can be tough on your gear, so it's important to know your stuff is protected. Pelican is synonymous with quality, borderline indestructible storage, and the 1030 microcase is no exception. The Pelican 1030 microcase is a rugged, compact storage solution that's perfect for protecting your essential gear during adventures. Built with Pelican's legendary toughness, this case is crafted from polycarbonate, making it crush-proof, dust-proofed, and waterproof for up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, IP67 rated. It also has an automatic pressure equalization valve, which balances interior pressure, keeping water out. It's ideal for safeguarding things like spare batteries, memory cards, your keys, against the unpredictable elements that you encounter on the trail or in the water. Plus, its clear top allows you to see all the contents at a glance. A carabiner on the side gives the Pelican 1030 the ability to easily clip onto whatever you'd like. Inside, the Pelican 1030 microcase features a rubber liner that doubles as an O-ring seal, ensuring watertight protection while also providing a bit of cushioning for your items. The case's stainless steel pins and secure latch design ensure it won't accidentally pop open, even if it takes a tumble. With an internal space of approximately 6.37 by 2.62 by 2.06 inches, it's decently sized, with enough room to store your keys, GoPro, or any other valuable items that you don't want getting lost or damaged on your adventure. The Rhino Waypoint Compass Keychain is a rugged and functional accessory designed to keep you oriented on all your adventures. Compact and built to last, this keychain is made from durable aluminum, ensuring it can withstand the bumps and scrapes of outdoor exploration or everyday carry. Measuring 25 millimeters in diameter, 10.6 millimeters in thickness, and weighing only 9 grams, the Rhino Waypoint Compass Keychain is lightweight and small enough to attach to your keys, pack, or gear without adding unnecessary bulk. The key feature of the Rhino Waypoint Compass Keychain is its integrated tritium glow marker, which provides a constant self-illuminating light source. Unlike traditional glow-in-the-dark materials that need to be charged by sunlight or flashlight, the tritium marker glows continuously for between 10 and 20 years, ensuring you can locate the keychain and its attached item, even in complete darkness. This makes it ideal for nighttime navigation, camping, or emergency situations. Inside of the Waypoint is a high-quality liquid-filled compass that provides reliable directional readings. The compass is securely housed to prevent leaks or damage, and its clear markings are easy to read even in low-light conditions. When you're adventuring in the wilderness, it's important to have access to safe, clean water. The Grayl 24-ounce GeoPress titanium purifier is a high-performance water filtration system designed for adventure enthusiasts and EDC connoisseurs who demand reliability and versatility. Built with CP4 grade 1 titanium, it's incredibly durable, corrosion resistant, and lightweight, making it a top-tier option for rugged environments. This system eliminates 99.9% of viruses, 99.9% of bacteria, and 99.9% of protozoan cysts, including threats like rotavirus, hepatitis A, and Giardia. It also removes particulates, microplastics, and a wide range of harmful chemicals like PFAS, pesticides, and heavy metals. The Grayl 24-ounce GeoPress titanium purifier has a flow rate that purifies 24 ounces of water in just 8 seconds with one press, which we think everyone can agree is fairly impressive. It also features a one-way silicone drink mix valve, which allows you to add any drink mix or electrolyte packs to your water without compromising the filter. To use the Grayl 24-ounce GeoPress titanium purifier, simply fill the main housing with dirty water. Turn the cap a half turn and, utilizing your body weight, press downward. Voila! Clean water. Its compact size, 10.125 inches tall and 3.25 inches at the base, and manageable weight of 20.125 ounces, ensures it's easy to carry in an adventure kit. Notably, the titanium bottle doubles as a vessel for boiling water directly over a campfire, adding survival functionality. With a lifespan of 350 cycles, or 65 gallons per cartridge, and compatibility with extreme environments, the GeoPress Titanium is an essential tool for those who need a reliable hydration solution wherever the journey takes them. If your adventure is really extreme, don't worry. The GeoPress Titanium is too. It's tested to endure 10-foot drops onto concrete at full capacity, ensuring its durability even in intense conditions. Designed in the USA with components sourced globally, the GeoPress meets rigorous testing standards, including NSF ANSI protocols 42 and 53 for pathogen and chemical removal, as well as EPA guidelines for microbiological water purifiers. We've covered what gear can help your adventure, and even touched on how to keep your gear safely stowed. However, when you're adventuring, you need to be prepared for the elements. The Arc'teryx Beta LT rain jacket is the ultimate all-rounder for adventurers who demand top-notch performance when there might be a chance of rain. The Arc'teryx Beta LT rain jacket is an impressive piece of gear designed for adventurers who need reliable performance in challenging conditions. Lightweight at around 13.3 ounces for men's medium, it combines a Gore-Tex fabric with 3L Tricot technology fabric with Gore C knit technology and 40D nylon. This construction offers exceptional weather protection, breathability, and a soft, flexible feel against the skin, making it comfortable for extended wear. The jacket is treated with PFC-free DWR coating, which repels water effectively, while being environmentally friendly. Designed for mountain use, it is also versatile enough for hiking, backpacking, or urban adventures. The fit of the Beta LT tends to run slightly large, so it leaves plenty of room for layering, making it practical for various climates. Its helmet-compatible storm hood provides excellent peripheral vision and shields against rain, ideal for climbers or trekkers needing top-notch visibility. The hood also features a drawstring. The design also includes pit zips for ventilation and a roomy inside pocket. 2 zippered hand pockets placed strategically for backpack compatibility as well. Durability is impressive for its lightweight build, although its 40D nylon and Gore-Tex fabric might not rival heavy-duty jackets like the Beta AR in ruggedness. You would be hard-pressed to find a smartwatch as feature-packed, dependable, and durable as the Garmin Enduro 3. The Garmin Enduro 3 is a lightweight yet incredibly durable smartwatch, weighing just 63 grams, making it easy to wear for long periods. This is even crazier when you consider its rather large size of 51 by 51 by 15.7 millimeters. Its titanium bezel and scratch-resistant sapphire lens ensure it can handle rugged outdoor conditions without compromising its sleek design. It can handle a water resistance rating of 10 ATM, capable of handling snorkeling and light water-related activities. It should be noted that the Garmin Enduro 3 is also capable of withstanding extreme temperatures, ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees. We think one of the Garmin Enduro 3's standout features is its incredible battery life. It offers up to 90 days in smartwatch mode and up to 320 hours in GPS mode with solar charging, making it ideal for extended trips or ultra-endurance events. It also includes a charging cable that connects to the case back. For the folks that love nighttime adventures, the Enduro 3 comes with a built-in LED flashlight, offering variable light intensities and a red safety light. The strobe mode can even sync with your running cadence, giving you enhanced visibility in low-light environments. The Garmin Enduro 3 includes specialized features like Trail Run VO2 Max, grade adjusted pace, and the Next Fork map guide, all aimed at helping you tackle even the toughest trail runs and races. It also includes a dynamic round-trip routing that suggests the perfect route for the distance you want to cover, along with preloaded topo-active maps and maps for golf courses and ski resorts worldwide. Basically, no matter where your adventure takes you, the Garmin Enduro 3 makes sure you can navigate with ease. For those looking to push their physical limits, the Enduro 3 offers advanced strength training tools, real-time stamina tracking, and built-in sports apps tailored for ultra runners, cyclists, and hikers. It also has an ECG app that can analyze electrical signals of your heart rate, which can help detect an irregular heart rhythm. As you gear up for your next adventure, keep our picks for your best Adventure EDC essentials in mind to help you stay prepared and make the most of your journey. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who loves pushing limits, we'd love to hear about the gear you swear by. Comment below with your must-haves. And don't forget to subscribe for more expertly curated content to inspire and equip your next great adventure.